Good morning. I hope you had a good weekend. I had a good weekend. And let's get started with our calendar notebook for today. Turn the page and start with April. I tried to clip it today to see if this will help. And we were here on Friday the 17th. And now it's Monday, so we're going to need to put in our dates that we had over the weekend. If Friday was the 17th, Saturday would have been the 18th. Good. To make that, we put a 1 in the tens and 8 in the ones. Make our 8 like an S and come back home. 19 was Sunday, which means if yesterday was the 19th, today will be the 20th. Good. 2 and a 0. 2 and a 0 for 20. Now let's remember the date, so when we go to write our date, we'll be remembering April the 20th, 2020. So we'll turn the page and turn the page until we get to the write the date page. And I keep forgetting that we need to also do some counting, so we'll do that after this page. So, what's the first thing I'm going to need to write? Lucy, first thing. Exactly. Why am I going to write a 4? Put a 4 here. Right, because it is our 4th month. Let's do our months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And when we look at April, we can see that it is a 4. Now we'll put a dash because we do not want to get our numbers mixed up. Now remember, 17 is the last number we had on here, but that is not yesterday's date. That is not yesterday's date. And so, if we're not sure, we can look back to see what today's date is, the 20th. Today is Monday, the 20th. Let's go ahead and do our days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. So it is the 20th. So I'll put a 2 and a 0. Good. Then I'll put my dash because I don't want my day and my year to get mixed up. And what shall I put next? Tristan, what should I put next? Tristan says a 20. Now why will I put a 20 there? I just put a 20 here. So why do I put another 20? Because it's a shortcut for what? 2020. That's right. And what's another way to say 2020? 2020. Good. Let's turn the page and turn the page. Now remember, I filled mine up. If you have missed some days, you might not have filled yours up. But since I filled mine up, I'm going to the next page. So you will go to your next set of 10 frames. There we go. Today's number is 20. Right, and how will I write a 20? Mia, how will I write a 20? A 2 in the tens and a 0. Okay. Mia, I'm going to have you tell us how to fill in my 10 frame. She says fill up 1 full 10 frame. Okay. I don't even have to count because I know if I fill that up, it's 10. And then what? Another 10 frame. Don't have to count that one either because I know that the whole thing is 10. And then what? Then I'm done. 2 10 frames is 20. And that's exactly what this shows. 2 10 frames and 0 more. So we have 2 10 frames and 0 more. Let's turn the pages until we get to our tally marks. Now, clip that on here. Try this today and see if it works a little better, since I had problems last time. So we need to make marks for the 18th through today the 20th. So we'll make one for the 18 and one for the 19. Now we have 4. So for the 20th for today, we will get to zing. Exactly, we get to zing. So we had our 4, and then we get to zing across. Exactly. 4 and then zing across, which means we get to fill in 3 more. And that means we get to fill in our whole hand. Exactly. Now when we count by tens, we have 2 hands together that make 10. We have 10 and 20. If we count by 5s, we have 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's go ahead and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. And now let's count by 5s. Get your 5 grabbers ready. And here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Let's turn the page and turn the page. We will get to our domino. We'll get to our domino. So our domino today, let's go with the red one. Our domino today shows 4 in the first box and 4 in the second box. Please make your domino look like my domino. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your domino looking like mine, a 4 and a 4. Now I need somebody to tell me, Riley, what is the addition equation that I can make from that? Addition equation. Okay, 4 plus, exactly, addition means we're putting together, so we would have a plus sign to show that. Another 4 is equal to, exactly, she counted all the way across, and she has 8. So everyone please read the equation with me. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. I hear the train in my neighborhood coming through. We're going to go ahead anyway and do our dice toss. Maybe this isn't so much better. Okay, get rid of this one and find our dice. And here we go. We get a 3 and a 5. A 3 and a 5. Now we know we always, when we do our dice, look at the top when we roll. Which is greater? Lily, which is greater, 3 or 5? Exactly, 5 is right. So we're going to put 5 in our head, and then we're going to count on the 3 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. So 8 is our dice number today. So we can still say the most because we have one that has more than everything else. And we can say more than and less than because when we're comparing those, we're comparing 2 things. So 2 has less than 4 because 2 has 0. And 4 has more than 6 because it has 2 and this one has 0. Can we say least? Not yet, because we have a tie for least, don't we? We need one that's less than everything. So let's turn the page to our April weather graph. And today, here in Heron, it is sunny outside. So I'm going to fill in a sunny. You can look at my graph, and you can see that I have one cloudy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sunnies, and one rainy. We have had a very sunny month so far in April. Now, I'm thinking of, just a minute, let me think. I'm thinking of a sentence. And can you guess my sentence? All right. My sentence is rainy and cloudy have the same. Rainy and cloudy have the same. If you have that as your sentence, is that what you said? Then you have read my mind. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go all the way back to page 6 and to the donut. So last time we were at the star, so touch the donut. This is the box we're going to be working in. If you are not in the donut box, you're not in the right spot. Let's see if I can straighten it. There we go. This said that Lucy and Mia were playing jump rope on the playground. Lucy's red rope was longer than Mia's green rope. Here is my thinking. Now, if you would like to get a red and a green crayon to mark in your book, you can. Or we can make it with a L for Lucy and an M for Mia. So I'm going to go ahead and get a red and a green to show the ropes. And let's take a look and see what's important. Lucy and Mia were playing jump rope on the playground. Lucy's red rope, so the red rope was longer than Mia's green rope. So we know that Lucy had the red rope. We also know that Mia had the green rope. And Lucy's red rope was longer. Longer means bigger. It sticks out more. So let's see if we can make that look true. You done yours? Okay, I'm going to do mine. Lucy has the red rope. I'm going to do the Mia's first. Mia has the green rope. So here's Mia's rope. I'm going to stretch it out so it's easy to compare which sticks out more. So here's her green rope. And it said that Lucy had a rope also. Her rope is red, and her red was longer than Mia's. In order to measure, I need to have these edges the same. Remember when we did the measure mice on our video? We always have to start at the same spot here and then stretch out to see which is longer. So here is hers. Right now it's shorter. Now it is the same, but our words say that Lucy's red rope was longer. So it has to be bigger than that. If that's what you have. You have done a great job. Thanks for doing Calendar Notebook with me. We'll do one more thing real quick because I have about 1 minute left. And let's knock these numbers. Knock 93. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Knock 37. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Oh, 96. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. Oh, 94. Another 90. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.